that you don't want to meddle. So you started smooth talking. Back pedal so hard that you actually started moonwalking. Smooth gripping it from umbilical. Pippin' on why I'm cynical. Pippin' on individuals. Pippin' and then I rip them. Send them all the remnants. Making them reminiscible. Get a whiff of them. Pussy creepin' motherfuckers almost take the whip from them. Masterpiece with a disastrous trace tucking. Master with beats bucking. Verbs get a case. I'm like masterpiece. Retarded white cousin. It's like I go to top but I can't stop fucking cussing. Taking the same haven. Erasing the rate of saving, invading the state of safe, grenading the fucking nation. She past naval, upgrading the fluctuation. I gave her the fucking D and no cuddles because I'm waving. Rebuttal, you looking ancient, ancient the one with gauges. So raven, we fucking waiting. Something to fucking happen. Drip pop off and pop off. No rompers for rapping. Essays, no stump you for flapping. Not Pepe, not Oscar, then John Doe and snapping. Stop toes and sock foods who uphold this damage. Stock homes with autos that spray and sporadic. ARs like AR, you play in the traffic. Play rock, I chainsaws, but hit you to flaccid. Listen, like goddamn, this shit is a classic. Brenda, you hear this? Talking about asses. This kid is a nuisance. Throw him in trash cans. Kippin', I do this while holding my Johnson. Can't sell my mixtape, I don't own the content. Oh no, go bro while you stay Jurassic. You so old and so you play into tragic. Go broke with no home, now go this gadget. Sleep in, I throw balls like straight to the mattress. Had it with admin to add in with has-beens. Haven't accomplished what they think I should been. Fuck you with 2 bricks till toothless. You 2 bitch to 2 kid. Got Rugas with toothless. I do this. Thank you. Let's keep this fucking party going. I'm back on my goddamn country shit, Willie. I'm back on my country shit, Willie. I'm sorry, but I can't just stop. Woo! Go and tell the yo yeller that I'm coming this way. Got real spot showing my boots and lace. Got old Leroy wearing spurs and chains. Swerve on the curb, feel the shot in the brain. Got the old 12 gauge in the whole mega A. We gon' blow some shit up. Told him I do it. Cause that treat to my buddy's like favorite lure. Done it anyway like I needed a reason. It's that time, so I guess it's the season. I'm seeing 30-foot flames. Pack my duffel, I got a couple of gallons, so I'ma get me in trouble. Got Jim, got Johnny in the jack of the huddle. I'm the 4th horseman, we gon' ride in a bundle. Take my whiskey, but none of what I made. You can take all the money that I have saved, but I'm a country fried moonshine lemonade. Excuse me, mister, now I'll take another round. Right now it's going down. I drink until I hit the ground. They say I drink too much. Right now I'm having fun. This whiskey got me drunk. I'm ready for the other one. Lying on my back cause I'm feeling a man. Looking like I'm dead cause I polished a jar. All this food that was food from my buddy from Mars. Damn, Russia got me munching through a marsh like a yard. Right now, talking to a song like guitar. If I wasn't doing nothing, I'd put someone in harm. Now I'm walking to my buddies that are still in the town. Count 8, really 4. Think I got a lot of friends. Flinging one until the end, hit them up. Holy smoke, loading up the fishing boat. Loading up the fishing boat. Life was on the back road. Life was on the back road. Till them up, trying to go. Load it up, got it, bro. My town, throw rocks, my town. Take all the whiskey that I have. When I'm a country fried moonshine lemonade. Excuse me, mister, now I'll take another round. Right now it's going down. I'll drink it till I hit the ground. They say I drink too much. Right now I'm having fun. This whiskey got me drunk. I'm ready for the other buzz. Yeah. Excuse me, mister, now I'll take another round. Right now it's going down. I'm drinking till I hit the ground. They say I drink too much. Right now I'm having fun. This whiskey got me drunk. I'm ready for the other buzz. Excuse me, mister, now I'll take another round. Right now it's going down. I drink until I hit the ground. They say I drink too much. Right now I'm having fun. This whiskey got me drunk. I'm ready for that other buzz. don't communicate well. My friend said I'm nothing but a meltdown. If I'm coming, I'ma get them, but they rushed out. If you're running in the wind, then you left out. If you're gonna, don't be shy, let the fucker plow. I've been looking for the bullet, where it at now? Coming at the cash cow, pointing guns at the rich, and I'm shooting at the stars now. Might never have a number one, my QLOZ, never miss a gun. Showing up like you wanted with your hand out. I ain't never had nothing but a hand down. Now I'm up and you're nothing but a man down. Never topping nothing, no cap, put your hat down. Spill blood and you're throwing with my hand found. To the inch, what you say with a rat found. Now you come up with a chat, I want a rat, wow. Never missing nothing, no cap down. Silly bitch, in the end of every witness, I'm at it cause it's just waiting for the gun sound. You only wanna with my fam, I'm a rebound. Wanna with my dog at a playground. Y'all kids got another thing coming, dog. I'ma get a job, we ain't go the fucking town. Wipe it up, cause you nothing but a sham, wow. You know, motherfucker, now you looking like you act out. Should I really wanna get up, but I might drown. Damn right, listening to one pot, never admitted that all about you bitches want to have you. I'm living, come around, can't stop. This time for the ones that are let down. This time live wrong, like my new spot. This time that I'm shitting on bitches, walking, sweat buzz like I got shot. It's mine, I will never let you get a drop of the juice that I drip. Can't ride, never admitted that all about you bitches want to have you. I'm living, you come around and you get shot. Nose in my pants, get the motherfucker broke. I'm a dog on the beat, so I'm going for the throat. Yeah, I'm doing what you want. Get the body full of holes and the bitch won't float. Pistol out, pussy, when you pick the wrong game. Put the 12 gauge in, cruise with the flame. Incinerate your face, yeah, I'm known to go insane. I'ma get a little crazy, but my homies are the same. I'm high in the sky like an eagle or something. The feeling that I gave, man, I never wanna let go. Well, I'm talking shit, you don't know what you was in for. No glare from the glass, so I hit you through the window. Trying to get tough, told me you don't wanna buck. And I'm crossing the line now.